The first bird in my list is mute swan. It breeds in the British Isles, North Central Europe and North Central Asia. They are less vocal than other swan species, and that's why they're called mute. They eat only aquatic plants and grains. The next bird is common gull. It breeds in the Palearctic, Northern Europe and Northwestern North America. Foods eaten include cod, worms, insects, berries, cranes, clams, and young seabirds. The gorilla goose is a species of large goose in the waterfowl family. The birds stay together as a family group, migrating southwards in autumn as part of a flock and separating the following year. And this is a duck. Usually duck eats plant food or grazing, but there are reports of it eating frogs. The fieldfare. Magpies living near the northern limit of their range in Sweden, Finland, and Russia. Magpie is omnivorous. Found across Europe, Western Asia, and North Africa. They eat insects, young birds, and eggs, fruit, seeds, and scraps. The common blackbird. It breeds in Europe, Asiatic, Russia, and North Africa, and has been introduced to Australia and New Zealand.